They say that no one is really from Madrid, but rather, everyone who passes through, like me. Hi, I'm Brandon. I'm 31 years old, I'm from Virginia Beach, and I live in Madrid. I've been here for 3 years, and you could say that hablo bastante bien el idioma. My friends have helped, just living in Madrid in general, and of course, the school where I'm studying. I encourage you to come. It's a great experience. This is the school where I study Spanish. Samperi also has other academies in different cities, such as Salamanca and Alicante, and also in other countries like Ecuador and Cuba. The classes are fun and relaxed. Theory is important when learning a language well, but then you have to put that theory into practice, a purpose for which Madrid is unique. I can be like my favorite team, Real Madrid, celebrating their 10th Champions League victory in Cibeles. Visit the theaters on Gran Via, Madrid's Broadway, take a stroll through Retiro Park, or have a chat in a boat ride. And all in the same afternoon. To go shopping, I would Calle Fuencarral, where all the alternative clothing stores can be found. Or I head down Preciados to Puerta del Sol, in the heart of Madrid. It's fast-paced and exciting. Then Plaza Mayor, and its legendary calamari sandwiches. Madrid is the world capital of cañas y tapas. Good weather, good food, and good company. This is the area known as Huertas, where us Americans spend a lot of time. It doesn't matter the day or time. There's always something going on in Madrid. And at nighttime, Malasaña, the ultimate rock neighborhood, where a great atmosphere is guaranteed every night of the week. So, with walks, theaters, museums, fun, studies, and especially great experiences, what more could you ask for? They say anything can happen in Madrid. So, see you here in Madrid.